Hi, it's Mona here. Today I'm creating a lovely slimline card where I mix the little snow globe dog stamp set with perfectly wicked stamps and the scalloped slimline die. I'm also using more stamps and dies which are linked in the video description. First I stamped the images onto Nina Solar White cardstock with crunchy leaf ink pad using my Misty. For today's card, I found the inspiration from our talented design team member, Grace. Before coloring, I give the images a quick heat set. I never skip this step as it really fixes the images and prevents ink smearing. Now let's move on to the coloring. I am using Ohuhu alcohol markers, but feel free to use any mediums or markers you have. Just ensure you are using the right cardstock. Since I am using alcohol markers, I use 2 or 3 shades for a nice blend. I build the colors from darkest to lightest in each combination, repeating them twice for better depth. Next, I add highlights with white pigment pen, creating shiny highlights. This makes a big difference and is worth playing with as a final touch. After coloring, I fussy cut and die cut the images off camera to save some time. Next, I create a unique furniture background by adhering the furniture die cut pieces together. While waiting for it to dry, I pick a lovely cardstock from the favorite flannel petite paper pack. I choose a deep raspberry color similar to what Grace used. Since I am creating a slimline card, I adhere these two cardstocks together. First, I align the matching lines, then use kraft tape on the back to hold them together temporarily. Once I apply adhesive and it dries, I remove the kraft tape for later use. Next, I cut a 3 by 8 inch piece from it and also prepare a woodgrain cardstock in 1 by 8 inch size as the floor. Next, I create 3 die-cut sentiments with the Scripty Merry die from thick paperback cardstock, along with 1 piece from Sparkle Craft cardstock. After die cutting, I adhere them together to create a heavy sparkly chipboard sentiment. Once that's done, I prepare the scalloped slimline background with the die from vanilla malt cardstock. Now everything is ready and it's time to assemble my card. I adhere the flannel background and the wooden floor to the scalloped card front. Next, I arrange where the animals and sentiment will cover the furniture I have created and adhere them in place. Then I organize the top of the furniture. Once it's done, I adhere the entire creation to the card base with 3D foam squares. I place the Christmas sentiment made off camera, and here is the finished slimline holiday card. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you an amazing day. Bye!